Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete character in Rise of Kingdoms. In Rise of Kingdoms, deleting a specific character is impossible, as each kingdom only allows 2 characters per account. If you want to play with more characters, the recommended approach is to create a new account in that kingdom. While individual character deletion isn't supported, you do have the option to delete your entire account through customer support, which removes all characters and allows you to start completely fresh. Keep in mind, this is a permanent action, so only use it if you're certain about restarting. Otherwise, managing multiple accounts or focusing on developing your existing characters is the safest way to expand your presence across kingdoms. Maintain progress and experiment with different strategies without losing your current achievements. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.